Let's look at this question. WASSCE November 2012 question 11a. If y is equal to 5 on 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3, show that 1 minus s squared dy on dx is equal to 6xy. Okay, so this is also on implicit, and then the question is y is equal to 5 over 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3. And we have to show that 1 minus s squared dy on dx is equal to 6yx. Okay, so first of all, we are going to take the denominator since on implicit and multiply by the y. Okay, so I have y multiplying 1 minus s squared keep equal to 5. Then we apply the product and then the chain rule here so that we can get our dy on the s, and then we will be able to come by this. We are going to show that this is equal to 6xy. All right. Okay. So this is y multiplying 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3. So we are going to apply the product rule here. Okay. So what we do is to differentiate y and multiply by 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3. Then we also differentiate 1 minus s squared exponent 3 and also multiply by y. So if I differentiate to I get dy on the x, then I multiply by 1 minus s squared exponent 3. So 1 minus s squared exponent 3 multiplying dy on dx. All right. So I have differentiated y, which is dy dx, and I have multiplied by 1 minus s squared or exponent 3 plus, that is the product rule. Then what I'll do is to also differentiate whatever 1 minus s squared exponent 3, then I multiply by y. So differentiating of this require the chain rule. So I'll take 3 and multiply the 3 by what? 1 minus s squared. Then I'll subtract 1 from here to give me what? To give me 2. Okay. Then after that, I'll multiply by the differentiation of what is in the bracket here or what is here. So if I differentiate this, what will it give me? Minus 2x. So if I differentiate 1 minus s squared, it will give me what? Minus 2x. Then after I'm done with the differentiation, I multiply by y. So the whole of this is going to multiply by y equal to 0. All right, because the differentiation of 5 is 0. So with the differentiation of 1 minus s squared to the exponent of 3, 3 will come here, and then we'll multiply 1 minus s squared. Then you subtract 1 from here to give you exponent 2. After that, you multiply by the differentiation of 1 minus s squared, which will give you minus 2x. All right. Then you multiply by the y, put it to 0. Okay. So let's continue. So we have 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3 dy on the x. So this one will give us plus, so minus 2x will multiply y and also multiply the 3. So 3 times minus 2x will give us what? Minus 6x times y will give us minus 6xy. All right. Then multiply by our 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 2 equal to 0. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 times x times y. Then also multiply 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 2 equal to 0. Okay, so let me take this one to this side so that I'll have, so gradually my aim is to get this 1 minus s squared dy over dx equal to 6sy. So I'll have 1 minus s squared or exponent 3 dy on the x to be equal to what? 6xy 1 minus s squared or exponent 2. Okay, so here it is minus, so when I take it become plus. Okay, so what I'll do is to also divide. All right, I'm going to divide, so I'm going to divide through by what? Since I have here 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 3, and here 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 2, and my aim is to get here 1 minus s squared dy equal to 6xy. So I'm going to divide through by 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 2. So that I'll get my 6xy here. Okay, and then I'll be able to get my 1 minus s squared. Alright, so I'm going to divide through by 1 minus s squared all to the exponent of 2. So I have 1 minus s squared exponent 3 dy on the x, all divided by 1 minus s squared exponent 2 equal to 6xy 1 minus s squared exponent 2 divided by 1 minus s squared exponent 2. Okay. All right. So what we can see here is that this one is going to take off this away. All right. And then we have 1 minus s squared, 1 minus s squared. This is exponent 3, this is exponent 2. So in this is division, I'll subtract so that here we get 1 minus s squared exponent 1. So 3 minus the 2 give us 1. So we will have what? 1 minus s squared. Okay. Well, here is 3, here is 2. So they are the same, the base are the same. So I can subtract the exponent. Okay, to leaving 1 dy on the x to be equal to what? The 6xy. So this is my answer. So I have been able to show that it is equal to what? It is equal to this. So 1 minus s squared dy on the s equal to 6xy. Equal to 6xy. This is so simple and easy to do. Alright. Okay. I know I will see you again. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Bye bye.